If you've ever owned a foldable, you know the feeling. That tiny moment of fear when you close it and think, wait, was that a speck of dust? Because with these phones, one grain in the wrong place can mean a very expensive regret. Well, Samsung might have just found a way to stop that panic before it even happens. According to early One UI 9 leaks, Samsung is building something called foreign material detection into its next generation of foldables. And this isn't just some background software tweak. This system can reportedly detect dust, dirt, or tiny particles stuck inside the hinge area. If something's in there, the phone may actually stop itself from fully closing and send you a notification telling you to check it. Basically, your phone refuses to sacrifice itself for your carelessness. And if you're the kind of person who doesn't want their phone parenting them, apparently you can switch it off. But honestly, on a device that costs this much, I'd probably keep it on. Now here's where things get interesting. The leaks don't just mention one phone, they show three. The regular Galaxy Z Fold 8, the Galaxy Z Flip 8, and something completely new called the Galaxy Z Fold Wide. The Fold Wide is the curveball. From the leaked design images spotted by Android Authority, it looks almost passport-like when closed. Wider, shorter, and very different from the tall, narrow fold design we're used to. The Fold 8 and Flip 8 look more familiar, but with slightly softer, more rounded corners. Subtle changes. But the wide model? That feels like Samsung experimenting in a big way. And if you've been following foldables from day one, you'll know the complaints haven't really changed. Battery life that's just okay. A crease that catches every light in the room. And the disappearance of the S Pen from the Fold 7. For years, it's felt like foldables were almost there. But not quite. 2026 might be when that changes, because Samsung isn't just refreshing the lineup, they're reportedly splitting it. Two Fold models, one of them clearly positioned to take on Apple's first foldable iPhone, which is expected to land in 2026. This isn't a routine update, this feels strategic. At CES 2026, Samsung Display showed off what it called its first truly creaseless foldable OLED panel. And they didn't just talk about it. They put it side by side with the panel from the Galaxy Z Fold 7. The difference, apparently obvious. Smoother, cleaner. Less of that line screaming down the middle of your screen. And if that exact panel makes its way into the Galaxy Z Fold 8, this could finally be the moment where the crease stops being the first thing you notice. But display improvements alone aren't enough. The Fold 7 was sleek and powerful, sure, but battery life and cameras? Those were the weak spots. Now, reports suggest the Fold 8 could jump from a 4,400 mAh battery to a 5,000 mAh unit. That's not a tiny bump. That's the difference between babysitting your battery and actually trusting your phone to get you through a full day of work, media, multitasking, and everything in between. And then there's the futuristic part. Samsung is said to be working on laser-drilled metal plate technology for the display structure. The goal? Reduce the crease even further while keeping the phone thin and durable. If they pull this off, opening the Fold 8 could finally feel like unfolding one seamless sheet of glass instead of two halves meeting in the middle. And yes, the S Pen might be coming back. Samsung removed stylus support from the Fold 7 to slim it down, but now leaks suggest the Fold 8 could reintroduce the S Pen in a redesigned form that works with the thinner body. If that happens, we're not just talking about a foldable anymore. We're talking about a full-blown productivity machine. A modern Note, but one that folds in half. All of this comes at a very interesting time. Apple is reportedly preparing its own foldable iPhone using similar display technology. Samsung knows this. They've been in the foldable game for years. They've taken the hits, fixed the hinges, improved durability, and dominated this category. But competition changes everything. So the Galaxy Z Fold 8 isn't shaping up to be just another yearly upgrade. It feels like Samsung tightening every weak point at once. Stronger hinge protection, bigger battery, potentially creaseless display, the return of the S Pen, and a brand new fold-wide model that could completely rethink the form factor. For the first time in a while, this doesn't feel like evolution. It feels like preparation. If Samsung gets this right, 2026 won't just be another foldable year. It'll be the year foldables stop feeling experimental and start feeling inevitable. And if you've been waiting for a foldable that finally fixes the stuff that actually matters, this might be the one worth holding out for.